Verb to be in past simple. How to use it. Was is used for the singular subjects I, he, she, and it. Examples. I was tired. He was happy. She was busy. It was a sunny day. Were is used for the plural subjects you, we, and they, as well as for both singular and plural subjects in the formal sense. Examples. You were late. We were at the park. They were good friends. The students were attentive. It's important to note that the past tense of to be is irregular, meaning it does not follow the typical pattern of verb conjugation. Here's a quick summary. Singular subjects, I, he, she, it use was. Plural subjects, you, we, they use were.